Welcome to my channel. To be honest, I am not a professional video editor, but I have a lot of experience in Amazon product reviews, which is incredibly helpful in finding exactly the product you want. If you are on the hunt for the best Adirondack chair, you have come to the right place. I have compared the top models to help you make an informed decision. Product number 1. KINGYES Folding Adirondack Chair with Cup Holder. Oh man, are you guys ready for the ultimate backyard experience? I've got my hands on the KINGYES Folding Adirondack Chair with Cup Holder, and I am blown away by this thing. It's like the perfect combination of comfort, convenience, and style, all packed into one foldable, portable chair with a built-in cup holder. Can you even imagine that? And let me tell you, the reviews don't lie. This thing has an insane 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 1951 verified reviews. Wow, people just can't get enough of this chair. And honestly, I don't blame them. It's seriously the best thing I've seen all summer. You've got a sturdy frame that's designed to last, a super comfortable seat and backrest, and that cup holder is a total game changer. No more spilling your drink or getting up every 5 seconds to grab another one. Trust me, this thing is a total must-have for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Look, I know it sounds like a lot to live up to, but trust me, this chair delivers. It's like having your own personal paradise in your backyard. And right now, I've got a special deal for you guys. Check the link in the description for active discounts. You won't want to miss out on this one. But let me tell you, even at full price, this chair is worth every penny. So don't wait any longer. Get ready to elevate your outdoor experience with the KINGYES Folding Adirondack Chair with Cup Holder. Product number 2. SoliWood Outdoor Wooden Folding Adirondack Chair Set. You know, I've got to say, the last product I reviewed was an absolute game changer, but I'm telling you, this SoliWood Outdoor Wooden Folding Adirondack Chair Set is gonna blow your mind. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, that is. This is literally a set of 2 beautiful Adirondack chairs, crafted from durable wood, that fold up for easy storage, making them perfect for anyone with limited space. Look, I know what you're thinking. How many times have I seen a folding chair that's just like a flimsy piece of plastic? But trust me, these SoliWood chairs are the real deal. They're made from solid wood, they're sturdy, and they're built to last. And don't even get me started on the reviews. Over 1,683 verified customers have given them an insane 4.1 out of 5 stars, which is just, wow, that's a testament to the quality of this product. Honestly, with a rating like that, you know you're getting something special. They're perfect for your backyard, your patio, or even just as a gift for that outdoor-loving friend of yours. And the best part? They're actually pretty affordable, which is, you know, a total win in my book. So, if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor seating game, I highly recommend checking out the SoliWood Outdoor Wooden Folding Adirondack Chair Set. And, look, I've got a link in the description below with active discounts. So be sure to check that out and get yourself one of these amazing chairs today. Product number 3. Plawdlik Folding Adirondack Chair. Alright guys, let's talk about this incredible product that just took our backyard relaxation game to a whole new level. It's the Plawdlik Folding Adirondack Chair, and honestly, it's a total game changer. I mean, picture this. A sturdy, comfortable, and beautifully designed Adirondack chair that can be easily folded up and stored away when you're not using it, which is exactly what I got with the Plawdlik Folding Adirondack Chair. It's not just about looks though. It's also got some serious durability and weather resistance going on, which is perfect for those of us who live in areas with crazy weather. And let me tell you, the materials they used here are top-notch. The craftsmanship is impeccable. The more I use this thing, the more I fall in love with it. And the reviews, oh man, the reviews don't lie. This thing has a 4.7 out of 5 star rating from over 1,449 verified reviews. That's just insane. I mean, people don't typically leave reviews unless they're really happy with the product, and this one's got people raving. Trust me, if you're in the market for a new Adirondack chair, this is the one to get. It's not going to break the bank, and honestly, it's worth every penny. So, if you're as excited about this product as I am, be sure to check out the link in the description below for active discounts. You won't regret it. Product number 4. Ciokea Folding Adirondack Chair HTP All-Weather Patio. So, after checking out that awesome outdoor sectional set, I've got my eyes on another fantastic product that's perfect for your backyard or patio. And that's the Ciokea Folding Adirondack Chair, made from high-density polyethylene, or HDPE, all-weather material, which means it's going to withstand the elements and look amazing for years to come, trust me. This chair is an absolute game changer, and I'm not just saying that because I'm a sucker for Adirondack chairs, although I do love their classic design, but seriously, this one's a real showstopper, with its sturdy frame, comfortable cushioning, and sleek, modern look that's going to complement any outdoor decor. And don't even get me started on its durability. Folks, this thing's built to last, withstanding all kinds of weather conditions, from scorching heat to torrential downpours. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth the investment? Well, let me tell you, with an incredible rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 983 verified reviews, you'd be crazy not to give it a try, honestly. The feedback from customers is nothing short of glowing, with so many people raving about its comfort, ease of assembly, and overall quality. I mean, just look at those numbers. For 0.6 out of 5, that's just amazing, and I'm not surprised, because I've seen firsthand just how well made this chair is, and how much joy it's brought to people's backyards. So, if you're in the market for a new outdoor chair that's going to make a statement, look no further than the Ciokea Folding Adirondack Chair, and be sure to check the link in the description below for active discounts, because you won't want to miss out on this opportunity to elevate your outdoor space. Product number 5. POLYDUN Modern Adirondack Chair with Cup Holder. You know, I'm loving this whole outdoor decor vibe I'm getting here. So let's talk about this incredibly comfy POLYDUN Modern Adirondack Chair with Cup Holder. Honestly, it's exactly what it sounds like, a sleek, stylish take on that classic Adirondack chair I all know and love, but with a super convenient built-in cup holder, perfect for sipping your favorite cold brew or glass of wine while soaking up the sun. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth it? Well, let me tell you, the reviews don't lie. This thing's a beast, with an impressive 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 314 verified reviews. Wow, people just can't get enough of it. And for good reason. It's sturdy, it's comfortable, and it's just plain beautiful. Look, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. This chair's a bit of an investment, but if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor space, make it a priority. You won't regret it, I promise. And as a little bonus, I've got the link to the current discounts in the description below, so be sure to check it out and save yourself some cash on this incredible chair. That's it for our top picks. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Check the description for links, and I'll see you in the next video.